In this guide, I will share with you how to log in EcoBank. So if you want to log in, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for EcoBank. This is the keyword, and then click this bank official website first result. After that, click login, and then you can log in with Cash Express with this option. Just click login from this option, and then you will see this login page. Just await a few seconds to loading this page, and then you can log in. As you can see here, click login. If you can also log in by this option, just a few minutes wait. So friends, just wait to see this page. As you can see here, this is the page login. Write your username and password. This is for login option. Just write your username here and then write your password. After that, you can log in. You can also log in by this option, EcoBank, this one. Just click this one and then you can log in with your all information here. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. You can download this app and you can log in.